How to create an account on Zengo app. Are you guys facing issues to create an account on Zengo app? If that's so, then this video might help you. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Zengo app on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download Zengo app on your mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you open the app, you will be able to see the option for sign up or register. Just simply tap on register. Once you click on register, you'll be able to see the option for your email address. Write down your email address. As soon as you write down your email address, they will send you verification code or email on your Gmail, the registered Gmail. Now just simply go to your Gmail and click on confirm the email address. Once you verify your email address, you will be forwarded to this page. And that's it guys. That's how you're going to create account on Zengo application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to watching. And I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.